Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Novia Syaputri. I'm from Program Studi Syariah Banking, Muhammadiyah University of Riau. Here, I will explain about what kind of contracts are contained in Islamic bank. Let's watch the video. What is this Sharia contract? Sharia contract is a term used to refer to the type of agreement or agreement in Sharia transaction. So, for many people think that the type of Sharia contract is only limited to mudarabah and murabahah. In fact, there are more types of Sharia contract than that. Various types of Sharia contract. 1. Mudarabah. Mudarabah is form of cooperation agreement between the owner of the property and the manager of the property. The owner of the property surrenders his property to another party for business. Is this profitable? The profit are divided between the owner of the property and the property manager according to the agreement the beginning. Now guys, this is the flow scheme mudarabah. Mudarabah scheme explanation. Number 1, customer applies for financing to the bank to obtain business capital. 2. Banks provided 100% of capital to be managed by customer who have certain skills. 3. When it will take place, the population for the results has been determined. 4. If a loss occurs when running a business that is not the customer negligence, the loss is borne by the bank. 5. After the business process is running, the profits are divided according to the ratio provisions. In addition, the customer also returns the principal capital to the bank. 2. Musyarakah. Contract is collaboration between two parties to contribute to each other in the form of funds to build a business, with the benefit and risks to be shared according to the agreement. Now guys, this is flow scheme the musyarakah. Explanation of musyarakah scheme. Number 1, customer applies for financing to a bank with a musyarakah contract to get additional capital. 2. Between the customer and the bank contribute to this business. 3. In this case, both parties cooperate with each other. 4. Banks provided capital financing to customer and are managed according to the expense of each customer, but work together to carry out a project whose profits are divided according to an agreement. 3. Salam. The definition of salam contract is a term in Islamic Sharia finance and reference to a sale and purchase transaction where the goods being traded are not at the place of transaction, but by paying in advance, the buyer will get the goods sometime later. Explanation of the scheme salam. First, negotiation with the agreement between the seller and the buyer regarding the salam transaction to be carried out. Second, after the contract is agreed, the buyer makes payments to the desired goods in accordance with the agreement that has been made. Third, in the salam transaction, the seller starts the products of complete the stakes of explaining the product that the buyer wants. After product is produced on or before the delivery date, the seller sends goods in accordance with the agreed quality and quantity specification to the buyer. 4. After agreeing on the granting transaction, the bank immediately conducts the transaction payment to farmer if parallel granting. 5. Within a certain period of time, specification determined if the grantings are parallel. 6. The bank receives the granting product submission the document the customer of farmers if parallel grantings. Ijarah muntahiyah bitamlik is a lease agreement that ends with the transfer of ownership of the object of the contract from the leaser to the lessee through a sale and purchase agreement or a grant after the end of the lease period. Now guys, this is flow scheme ijarah muntahiyah bitamlik. Explanation of the ijarah muntahiyah bitamlik scheme. First, the customer submits an ijarah application by filling in the application form files information provided, then verify the truth and analyze its eligibility by Islamic banks. Second, as declared by DSN, the next bank profit rental objects that will be used by customer. Third, customer use goods or services that are rented out as agreed in the contract. 4. Renting customer pay a rental fee to the bank Sharia is accordance with the agreement. 5. On IMBT transaction, after the ijarah period is over, the bank, as the owner of the goods, you can transfer property rights to the tenant. 5. Kafalah. Meanwhile, according to Bank Indonesia, kafalah is a guarantor agreement given by one party to another party, in which the guarantor is responsible for repaying a debt, which is the right of the recipient of the guarantor. Explanation of the kafalah scheme. 1. The bank as a financial institution guarantors is assured party by submitting a guarantor to the insured if in the future the customer commits an injury, a promise or default. 4. The customer has an obligation to the project owner to complete his work in accordance with the work agreement agreed between the insured party or the party implementing the work and the insured party or employer. Okay guys, that's the only explanation from me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.